Hi guys, I am Martin, and in this video I will show you how you can program one of these Arduinos as a traffic light, like one of these. So let's start off with the hardware part of it. And so I'm going to use a breadboard like this, and I'm going to put it like this so you can see it. For this project I'm going to use LEDs, and so we will need a red LED, and I'm going to put it there, a yellow LED like so, and lastly a green LED like so. We will also going to need a 470 ohm resistor, but something between 220 ohms and 1 kilo ohm, it should be fine to do. And in my case I'm going to just put it to one of the power lines, in this case to the negative one, and now I'm connecting the cathodes of the LED to the resistor. And here's the last one going into there like so. Now we can put the ground of the Arduino to the negative power line like so. And to make things easier I'm going to use colored wires, which one is which, and so I'm going to put this wire to the red LED, and let's connect this pin to the digital pin 2 of the Arduino like so. We will need also a wire for the yellow LED. This goes to the digital pin 3, and the green one to digital pin 4 like so. And that's it. You don't have to do really much of anything at all. And so we can connect the Arduino to our computer, if we have one, of course. I'm going to just connect it in there, and it flashes because I wrote some program on it before, but we don't have to care about. So let's move over to the software part of this project. So let's move over to the Arduino IDE platform, and we can start programming. We'll start at the void setup, and we wrote something like a pin mode. And because the red LED is connected to digital pin 2, we're going to write 2, and we have to write this as an output like so. We can move to the next line, and whenever you end a line you should put a dotted comma. I don't know how it's called in English properly, like this, and we can move to the next line, which is going to be again pin mode. And because our yellow LED is connected to pin 3, I'm going to write 3 here, and we also write this as an output because we are going to drive this. Again, a dotted comma, I don't know how it's called in English properly, maybe this, and again pin mode and 4 for the green LED, and output like so. And that's it basically. Now we move over to void loop, and I'm going to program the traffic light in such a way that how it works in Hungary. So I'm going to do that, but you can program this any way you want, so you can program them how they flash, but I'm going to use the system that it's used in Hungary. So what we will start is with the digital write. And we write the red LED, which is pin 2, to be high first, like so. Dotted comma, don't forget. We write something like a delay, which tells to the Arduino to wait some amount of time before the next operation comes. So we write this as a millisecond value. So for this video I'm going to just wrote 2 seconds, so 2000 milliseconds, because guys, I don't really think you will wait 10 seconds or more to switch, so we're going to write 2 seconds. And when that is done, dotted comma, don't forget, once again, we'll go to the next line. It's going to be again digital write, and this time we'll write, and this time we set the yellow LED to be high, so pin 3 high, and again waiting just for this video 2 seconds or 2000 milliseconds if you prefer that. And I also forget this dotted comma sometimes. I don't know really how it's called in English properly. Now for this next line, we will write something that tells to the Arduino to turn off those outputs when it switches to the green LED. So what we do is write digital write, and we tell to the Arduino to turn both outputs as low. So it's going to be low, dotted comma, don't forget, and again digital write, and pin 3. I don't know why I pressed the shift key when I want the comma. Anyways, low. And now we tell the Arduino for the next digital write function to turn the green LED on. So it's going to be high. Like this, it tells to the Arduino to turn off the previous 2 outputs and turn on the 3rd output, like so. And we're going to also put some delay here. Again, 2 seconds, because you guys, I don't think you will wait a lot of seconds just to switch. Dotted comma. Again, don't forget. So after this, we tell to the Arduino, so it's again digital write, and it's going to be 4, and tell to the Arduino to turn this as low, so it will switch off the green LED, dotted comma, and telling the Arduino to turn on the yellow LED once again, which is pin 3, to be high, like so. Now we're also going to put some delay here, and again I'm writing this whole thing as a Hungarian system, so that's how the lamps switch in Hungary. Again, 2000 milliseconds, and we tell the Arduino to turn off the yellow LED to be turned off, so digital write, and pin 3 low. And because this is going to repeat over and over again, we don't have to tell it once again to turn on the red LED, because it's already telling at the beginning of the code that it has to be turned on. So I'm going to just check it if I've done anything right. And I missed something, and I also forgot to put this dotted comma sometimes. So again, let's check it. It's going to use 3% of the Arduino's storage. So let's upload that, and let's move over to the hardware part of it. There you go. And let's see. And as you can see, it does work, as I was telling. That's it for this video. I just showed you guys how to program this little stuff to work as a traffic light. Actually, it's just a traffic light module. So this is the thing that what controls these LEDs, as you can see. So thanks guys again watching this video. And so don't forget to subscribe if you want to. and I will see you in the next video. So bye.